Hey, you guys. Okay, so, really quick. I fucking hate stupid people on YouTube. This is the most fucking annoying thing to me ever. Oh, sweet. Actually, my thing, I just realized I got 130 thumbs up on Kyle's video. Okay, listen. On Kyle's Nexus 1, the one that was posted probably on 622, 621, I don't know. They talk about Ryan Dunn's death. That one, I posted. They talk about Ryan Dunn dying, and yet Kyle continues to drive with no seatbelt. I'm just saying, like, they're talking about Ryan Dunn dying in a car accident, and I fucking hate my phone. They talk about Ryan Dunn dying in a car accident, and Kyle's not wearing a seatbelt. Like, that's like rule one. You learn that, like, as a child, your mother yelling, like, oh, you wear a seatbelt, whatever, you get it, right? This person says, Kyle isn't drunk or driving at twice the legal speed limit, though. Like, really? Yeah, that's what Ryan Dunn was doing, but, like, fucking a seatbelt's another driving rule. You wear a seatbelt. I don't get it. And then I posted, Jesus, I'm not getting too down on Kyle, am I? Why do people get so fucking defensive over people they don't know so quickly? Before speeding and drinking and driving, we learn to wear a seatbelt. Sorry, I'm reading this off my camera. This is all I was saying, and how Kyle continues to not do so. Calm down. And then they say a seatbelt would not have saved Ryan Dunn. Did you see their car? And he was drunk. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm not talking about Ryan Dunn. I was talking about Kyle. I was saying they were talking about Ryan Dunn, but me, personally, wasn't talking about Ryan Dunn. I don't get what the fuck Ash Bay Lee 69 or whatever the fuck your name is. Are you retarded? My god, fucking how stupid do you have to be? Oh my god. But you know, I actually did just learn on camera that I got 130 thumbs up. I wonder if I'm the top thumbed up comment. I am. That's pretty sweet. Okay.